IELTS vocabulary. Understanding accent in English. Have you ever noticed how people from different regions speak English differently? That's what we call an accent, and it's the word we're exploring today in our IELTS vocabulary lesson. Word type. Accent can function as both a noun and a verb in English. Meaning, as a noun, an accent refers to a distinctive way of pronouncing a language, typically associated with a particular country, area, or social class. For example, we might talk about a British accent or an Australian accent. As a verb, to accent means to emphasize or stress a particular part of a word or phrase when speaking. Word history. The term accent comes from the Latin word accentus, which means intonation or song added to speech. It entered the English language in the late 14th century. Antonyms. While accent doesn't have direct antonyms, some related contrasting terms include neutral pronunciation, standard dialect, or lack of emphasis. Synonyms. Some synonyms for accent include pronunciation, inflection, intonation, and stress when used as a noun. As a verb, synonyms include emphasize, stress, and highlight. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use accent in context. First, as a noun, her strong Scottish accent made it challenging for some Americans to understand her. Now, as a verb, in presentations, it's important to accent key points to help your audience remember them. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing accent with dialect. While an accent refers specifically to pronunciation, a dialect includes differences in vocabulary and grammar as well. Another error is using accent to describe written language. Remember, accents are heard, not seen in writing. To improve your IELTS score, practice using accent in both its noun and verb forms. Listen for different accents in English language media and try to describe them. Also, pay attention to how speakers accent certain words for emphasis in their speech. By mastering words like accent, you'll be well on your way to achieving that band score of 6.5 or higher.